Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Samsung microwave not eating and is making noise. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, verify the microwave is not in demo mode. Press the options or my settings button. Navigate to demo mode. Ensure it is off. Check the power supply. For this purpose, you have to ensure the microwave is unplugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet with another appliance. Inspect the power cord for damage. Inspect the door closure. For this purpose, you have to open the microwave door and inspect the door sleeve for any obstructions or damage. Close the door firmly. Examine the turntable and motor. Remove the glass turntable and roller ring. Inspect the turntable motor for damage. Test the motor for continuity. Check for faulty components. For this purpose, you have to unplug the microwave, remove the outer cover, inspect the Magneton diode and high voltage capacitor. Ensure proper ventilation. Make sure the microwave has enough clearance around it. Clean the vents to ensure proper airflow. Reset the microwave. Unplug the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug it back in and test its operation. Consult the user manual. Locate the user manual for your specific Samsung microwave model. Refer to troubleshooting steps. Contact professional service. If the issue persists, contact Samsung support or professional technician for diagnosis. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.